Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a tote bag. So it's NYSC season, back to school season, and this tote bag is going to come very handy. So I'm going to be showing you how to make one for yourself. Very easy. The fabric we'll be needing. This one is chinos. You can use jean, you can use any firm fabric basically. You can even use Ankara. But the one I'm going to be using for today is chinos. If you're just seeing my channel for the first time, I'm saying a big welcome to you. Do watch my videos, like them, share with your community, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming again. You know I love you so much. I'm giving you my lots of love. So do engage with my videos, and guys, like my videos so that it can also reach people that need these videos. So let's dive right into the video for today. The measurements that we need the length, we need the width, and we also need the length of strap. And for this, I'm not going to be using any pattern. I'm just going to be cutting it as it is. And the length of my tote bag is 15 and a half. The length is 15 and a half. Then I'm going to be adding 2 for seam allowance, half for the down part and 1.5 for the top part. So 15 and a half plus 2 will be 17 and a half. That's exactly what I have here. Width of my fabric is 13. Sorry, the width of my tote bag is 13. Then I'm just going to be adding 1 inch seam allowance for that 1 inch seam allowance. So this is it. I'm just going to cut through. So I'm just going to be putting slight marks to indicate the front and the back. I'm going to set this aside and start working on the straps. So the length of my strap is 32. But because of the way my fabric is not that long, like my fabric does not have very long length. So I'm just going to be joining at the shoulder part. So for my strap, I'm going to be using 3.5. The length of my strap is 32. I'm going to be cutting 16 here, then I'm also going to be cutting another 16. Then I'll join at the shoulder level. So aside the 16, I'm going to be adding 2.5 inches. So that's 16 plus 2.5, that's 18.5. And I'm going to be using this to cut other ones as well. My tote bag is going to have a back pocket. It's going to have a back pocket, just a short one. And this is going to be the pocket that I'll be using. Though the thing is that the pocket was optional. I was like, if the material remains, I'm going to add the pocket. If it doesn't, I'm not going to add any pocket. So I'm happy the material remains. Yeah, so I think for this pocket, the dimension is this is 9 to 7. The length of the pocket is 9 and the width is 7. For this, I'll be folding, so folding like 1 inch. So here I have my straps, I have my pockets, then I have my 2 pieces of the tote bag. I'm just going to head to my sewing machine and start the sewing action. So let's start with sewing the tote bag. Here I have my front and back piece. They are both identical, so I can just use any one for the front or the back. First thing I would like to do is to sew the top part. I left allowance for 1.5 inch for the top, so I'm just going to measure that 1.5, then I'll fold half inside. I'm going to do that for the front and the back piece. After sewing, I'm just going to fold the pocket as well. I also left 1.5 inches for the pockets. That's the same allowance for folding. So that's what I'm just going to do now. I'm just going to fold that in into 1 inch. Sorry, half inch. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to do is to fix the pockets from the top part of the tote bag. I'm going to position my pockets 4 inches away from there at both sides. Then what I did I want everything to be even. Like I don't want the pocket to stand just anywhere. So for the sides, I have to take the full measurement. Full measurement here I have is 14, and the measurement for my tote pocket is 7. So 14 minus 7 is 7. That means I'm going to divide by 2 for both sides. So the right side, I'm going to position my pocket 3.5 away from from that side. Then from the left side, I'm going to position my tote 3.5 inches away. I hope that makes sense. So I'm just going to use my pins to secure so that to be balanced. So I'm just going to fold my pocket in by 1/2 inch. So this is the finished look. Okay guys, there's something I would want to do instead, so that I'm not going to be having rough edges inside. I'm going to sew it wrong side facing wrong side first. Just follow me, you'll get what I'm doing. Wrong side facing wrong side first. I'm going to sew. But I'm going to sew very closely, very, very close. Like less than 1/2 inch, guys. After this, I'm just going to trim to remove. So I'm just going to trim to take out all this excess threads from the fabric. Then I'm just going to turn over. So guys, this is how you sew a tote bag. But if you don't want your seam allowance to be showing inside, make sure to bring out all your edges. This is what we have here. This is what the inside is looking like, and now I'm going to do the final touch for the inside part. So I'm just going to sew again. And finally, I'm just going to turn over. So this is what it's looking like. So guys, I already sewed my strap to an extent off camera. I'm just going to continue to show you what I did. So now there are two ways that you can actually do your strap. You could sew it like after folding, right side facing right side with half inch, then you turn inside out, or you can just use this method I'm using, which is to fold it and sew half inch from both. Let me just show you. I don't think I'm doing justice to the explanation. So this one is already well done, like it's well done. It's just remaining to press. So this was what I did. So after just this is the way it is. You fold this into two, then fold half inch inside, and you just sew. Let's say this is the vulnerable part of this video. In case you want to use a chinos material, when you're getting your material, you have to be sure, like you have to check the durability of the material. Now I don't know if I can say it was from the store. I've had this material for like since 2021. Like I just had it. I wanted to use it for a project 2021, but I could not use it for it. So I just had it in my space since then. So see what I'm noticing. Can you see? Like it's ripping off, it's tearing. Because I already started this video. I noticed this when I was making the first part. But since I already started the video, I just said let me continue. Even though I may not use the tote bag for long because I'm not sure of the durability. So please, if you're using chinos material or jean, whatever material you're using anyways, just make sure that when you're buying it, you check the durability of the fabric. Like I almost didn't want to finish it because I was really, really pissed. But I already started, and this video can help someone. Probably maybe you want to start a tote bag business, or you just need a tote bag. It can help. So I just said let me just continue for that purpose. So guys, if you are hearing this, like my video. I notice you guys are not liking my videos, and what you guys don't know about not liking, it's just like if you get an information from someone for free, it's just like you saying thank you. And liking my video helps other people to see it as well. It shows that you are engaging, that you really love the content. So to help other people to see it. But when you just view and probably you just scroll or you just leave the channel, it's not good. So I know some of you have subscribed and I'm very grateful, but please also endeavor to like my videos. And I'm saying a very big thank you in advance. Kisses to you guys. I'm done with the straps. These are my straps. It's now time to fix the straps onto my tote bag. So this is the way my straps are going to be. I'm just going to fold inside like this. Then I'm going to sew it round. I just want to make sure that it's in a reasonable position. From here, that's from this end, I measured 3.5 inches and I marked that place. And from this other end, from this other end as well, I marked 3.5 inches and I marked it here. So these two positions are going to be for the placing of the straps. As well, I can mark them inside. So to place the first one, like I said, I'm going to first fold half inside like this. I hope you can see it. Okay, guys, I'm going to do the same thing for the other part. So what I'm doing basically is, I'm just trying to align the second strap with the first one I made. Now I'm done with the tote bag. This is what it's looking like. I'm just going to iron, then I'll come back to show you. This is what my tote bag is looking like. This is it. This is the front, and this is the back. I hope that from all the explanations I made, you'll be able to make your own tote bag. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you're just seeing my video for the first time, I'm saying a big welcome to you. Welcome to the farm. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, comment, share with your community. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming once again. Please endeavor to like my videos and share with your community. Until next time, stay positive, stay happy, and stay stylish. Bye.